How to fix Instagram posts not showing on profile. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly what to do if your Instagram posts aren't showing. So if your profile or other profiles are showing no posts yet, even though you've posted before, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, this is a widespread bug affecting many users, so don't worry. There's nothing wrong with your account. Now here's how you can work around it. Since this issue mainly happens on the app, the easiest way to see your posts is through a browser. Open any browser on your phone or computer, go to instagram.com, and log in. You should now be able to view your posts and those of others as normal. Reporting the problem helps Instagram understand how widespread the bug is and can speed up a fix. Here's how. Go to your Instagram profile. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner to open the settings. Then scroll down and select Help, then tap Report a Problem. From the pop-up menu, select Report Problem without shaking. Next, tap Include and Continue. Here, explain the issue and submit your report. And that's it. For now, these are the best ways to get around the problem while Instagram works on a fix. I'll keep you updated on any changes, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates.